Hello, in this video I'd like to introduce myself and my course. My name is Jonathan Edwards. You can see me here on the screen. I've been working in IT since I was 17 years old. That's 18 years. I started my career as a trainee computer engineer at a large UK bank. After working my way up the ladder there, I left and have worked for local councils and legal firms within the IT department. I've been a Microsoft certified professional since the year 2000. In 2006, I decided to set up my own IT consultancy, helping small business in my local area with their IT needs. I continue to run and manage the IT consultancy today, and we look after businesses throughout the UK and even in Europe. In those 10 years, I've worked with hundreds and hundreds of small businesses, implementing the techniques that I'm going to show you in this course. I live in Yorkshire in the UK with my wife and my 2 children. As a bit of background to this course, any business with between 5 and 25 computers need a server. A server helps small businesses to be able to share files, applications and printers. It helps them keep their data secure, and it provides a nice, tidy network with other features such as remote access. Without a server, a small business network can become messy and hard to manage. Microsoft have always provided great small business servers. It started out with SBS, which stands for Small Business Server, 2003, then 2008, and then 2011. The current Microsoft product is Microsoft Server 2012 R2 Essentials, and that's the product we'll be concentrating on in this course. As an IT consultant, you can focus on small businesses, and you can build a business from installing and managing servers. You can earn anything from between $2,500 to $5,000 from installing new servers. And then these servers need support and maintenance, and you can earn anything from between $350 to in excess of $1,000 every month for providing IT support. There's also extra money you can earn from selling hardware, software, and now cloud services. There's never been a better time to start your own IT consultancy. So who should take this course? Well, perhaps you work for a small business and you've been handed the role of managing your IT systems. Well, this course is definitely for you. Maybe you work in IT already in a junior or basic role and you want to learn more advanced skills. Again, this course is for you. Or maybe you're thinking of starting an IT consultancy business and you need some knowledge of a product that you can install and manage. This course is for you. Or on the flip side, maybe you own an IT consultancy and you're looking for a cost-effective way to train your techs. Again, this course is definitely for you. So what are you going to learn on this course? Well, we'll start off looking at what hardware and software you need to provide. Then you can watch over my shoulder as I build a server from start to finish. We'll do things like integrate the server with cloud services like Office 365 and Microsoft Azure. We'll look at backups, both locally into the cloud. We'll cover server backups and PC backups. We'll configure all the new users and we'll make sure all the computers are added to the new network. And remote access, it's a big thing for any business. We'll configure that with an SSL certificate. Small businesses need to print, so we'll put printers to the network. And you'll learn much, much more. So I've mentioned earlier, we're going to be using Server Essentials 2012 R2. This has been marketed by Microsoft as a cloud-enabled solution for small business, and it really is. Lots of small businesses are using cloud services for email and file storage. Well, Server Essentials integrates with both Office 365 and Microsoft Azure. You'll learn more about that in the course. Server Essentials also has some great built-in backup features. You can back up your server, you can back up PCs. So it's a great solution for protecting the data of small businesses. There's also inbuilt remote access. Now the server is limited to 25 users, but as I've mentioned before, this is a great market for IT consultants. Anywhere from between 5 and 25 users is where we're going to be aiming at. Now, throughout your learning, if you have any questions, then please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. I really hope you enjoy the course.